Right now we are at the Singhu border, where a special stall is set up by Khalsa Aid, which is called Kisan Mall, and we are at the Kisan Mall, and you can see the various items has been displayed by the organization for all the farmers who are protesting here. And for details about the procedure of these items, we are having Jaswinder Singh is with us, and Jaswinder Singh will explain us about the procedure of these items. Hello, sir.
Hello. Jaswinder Singh this side from I volunteer with Khalsa Aid.
Okay.
So we have set up this Kisan Mall for the farmers who have been protesting here from last more than a 1 month now. So this is basically an initiative which Khalsa Aid has taken to provide services to farmers who have been out from their home for more than 1 month. It's been now 45 days, I think, and we've been trying to give them whatever daily needs, essential items like toothbrush, toothpaste, oil, washing soap, bathing soap, undergarment for ladies and gents, even basic needs for the ladies, even Odomos or the thermals. Even now we have started shoes also. We've started plastic shoes because of the raining system, and then in the rainy season we started distributing the raincoats as well. So we've been trying to give all the comfort to the farmers here, so that they don't feel being away from the home, and they get whatever things they are required, they get at the time.
Sir, approximately how many people are visiting your this mall daily?
So it's been approximately around 800 to 900 people daily that they get things from here.
So now please explain us the procedure of if a farmer comes here. So what is the procedure of buying the items from your mall?
So we don't sell anything. It's all free for them. It's all free seva, the free service for the farmers. So the farmers come here. They come here with their Aadhaar card or even any government ID, and there we fill this receipt for them and give them whatever things are required. So we take each and in front of every item, we just take everything and give them whatever required. Like they ask us for thermals or shawls or even for garbage bags, whatever they need. They just come here and ask us that these are the things required. So if you see here, these are the people who have been filling the receipts for the farmers. So they keep on filling with the Aadhaar cards for the farmers, and we then they come here and we give them whatever things are required.
So we can say that through these slips you are maintaining the whole record of your items that are that farmers are taking.
Yes, we have got approximately around 23 items on the list, and there are few items which are not there on the list as well, which keep on changing according to the season, according to the requirement. Like raincoats is not mentioned in the slip, but then we do provide them.
Okay. Previously, you were having a system of distributing tokens in the trolleys of the farmers.
Yes.
So now that system is replaced with this slip system.
Yes, we've discontinued that system. So earlier we were actually distributing to each trolley. We were giving around 5 coupons, and on each coupon we were giving essential items for 2 people. So people used to come, and there was some mismanagement in that system. So that is the reason we've discontinued them now. And now people come here and get whatever is required along with the Aadhaar card. They come in the queue and get them.
So are you facing any kind of shortage for any of the stock?
No, I think with God's grace, everything is full. So we are actually I would say, overstocked.
That's great. So you can see the Kisan Mall set up by Khalsa Aid, and they are claiming that they have enough stock. In fact, they have surplus stock for all the farmers that are protesting here. And that's all about the Kisan Mall. Thank you so much. Harshbab Singh here from Rabushai Times.